Right. Well, I'm just looking out of my apartment window, almost 9 o'clock on the 17th, and yeah, boy, it's a big festival going on. I guess there's a good construction site over across the way from us, and to bless the construction, they do like a big party where they have music going all day and everything. And in town, we just went through Thimphu to get a bunch of necessities for our apartment. There were just balloons and ribbons and things and decorations tied to all the taxis and various cars. Really cool. Yeah, so anyway, that's that.